Welcome to Kraus, where we create innovations for real life.
All right, guys, today we will be looking at our Kraus Artec Pro single-handle commercial faucet. All right, now let's get to it. This faucet comes with a pot filler and also with a spray head. The primary water source when you turn the faucet on will be the pot filler. So water will flow right out of the pot filler with no problem, and you can also change it to the spray feature by simply squeezing the spray head to engage it. Now, if you have hard water in your area, a lot of calcium can build up within your faucet and deposits can build up within your faucet. And what I'd like to do today is show you guys how to change out the diverter from the old one to the new one, because it's very easy to do and it's only a few steps. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at how we can change the diverter from the old one to the new one. Okay guys, to change out the diverter, one thing I strongly recommend using is a pair of needle nose pliers. These will be very helpful in pulling out the old diverter and inserting the new diverter. Also, you're going to want to contact us at 1-800-775-0703. You can also email us directly at customerservice@kraususa.com, or even text us directly from the website. Once you reach us, we'll be happy to provide you with a replacement diverter or anything else you may need. Now let me show you guys exactly where the diverter is located and how to access it and then change it out. So what you want to do is here at the base of your faucet, you'll notice there's a cylinder portion that can unscrew. Now, one thing I want to mention is that when you lift this, be careful not to scratch or damage your faucet. You can put pieces of tape here if you like. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm not going to use any, but keep in mind you don't want to scratch or damage your faucet. So you're going to, once you unscrew it, you lift it up, and then you're going to want to grab the pot filler arm. And this portion here can also lift up. It may require a little bit of force, so you're just going to want to pull it a little bit. And once you do that, you'll notice that the diverter is on the side of the faucet. You'll take your pliers, you simply grip right onto it, and you pull it out like so. And you'll take your replacement and you will simply just insert it right into the faucet, and you are done. You take this back here, reverse the steps, and put this down. Take the cylinder and tighten it right back onto the faucet, and just like that, you have changed out your old diverter for the new diverter. Your flow will be much improved. If there's any drips coming from your spray head while using your pot filler, you may want to make sure that you have a clean diverter and nothing else in there. That's it for today. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Please call us at 1-800-775-0703 or email us directly at customerservice@kraususa.com. Take care.
Kraus, innovation for real life.